Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, hi, I'm so happy you are here with me today. Today, we are going to be making pork chops with a creamy Dijon sauce. Let's start by dicing the mushrooms. If you're using button mushrooms, about 4 or 5 is perfect. Today, I'm using a king oyster mushroom. We've been in Japan for almost a month now, and I still haven't found button mushrooms, but these taste very similar though, so they work great. Also, if anyone knows why button mushrooms are everywhere in Osaka, but not in the northern part of Japan, let me know. Next, dice 1 small bell pepper, or half of a large one. Then dice half of an onion. I cut this a little differently than I normally do, but this is another really easy way to dice onions, especially if you're in a hurry. Before we mince the garlic, a quick little trick is to wipe your knife with the onion. If you're new here, this helps keep the garlic from sticking to the blade when you mince it. It's one of those small things that actually makes prep easier. Now, smash and mince 2 cloves of garlic. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we share our travels around the world here on YouTube. Since we're always on the move, kitchens and appliances can look very different. That's why my goal is to share easy recipes you can make at home without needing a bunch of expensive kitchen gadgets. If you'd like to follow along on our travels, be sure to check out our other channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over there too. I'm cutting a large carrot for just a side of veggies. I cook these in the pressure cooker with just a little water on the bottom for 5 minutes. I didn't season them at all, and they came out perfectly tender. Sometimes simple really is best. Now, let's season the pork chops. I'm seasoning generously with salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and a little chili powder. Flip them over and do the same on the other side. Add about a teaspoon of oil to a pan over medium heat and place the pork chops in. Let them cook for about 2 minutes per side. If your pork chops are on the thicker side, lower the heat slightly after searing so the inside cooks through without drying out. Quick cooking tip: if you have time, take your meat out of the fridge about 30 minutes to an hour before cooking. Letting it come closer to room temperature helps it cook more evenly. Once the pork chops are browned, remove them and add a teaspoon of butter to the pan. When the butter melts, add the garlic and let it cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Keep a close eye on it because garlic burns fast, and burnt garlic does not taste good. Add in the rest of your veggies. Season with pepper and Italian seasoning and sauté for about 4 minutes until softened. If you are still watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Tell me in the comments where you are watching from today. Pour in a 1/4 cup of chicken broth and let it cook down for about 2 minutes. You can also use white wine here if you have it. That's something I just don't have. Next, add 1/2 cup of heavy cream or milk, followed by 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Stir everything together and let it cook for about a minute. I don't use Dijon mustard very often, but honestly, this recipe might have changed my mind. It adds so much flavor and makes the sauce feel rich without being heavy. Add the pork chops back into the pan. When you place them in, make sure they're sitting at the bottom of the pan and not on top of the veggies. That way, they stay nice and juicy and soak up the sauce. Cook this for about 4 minutes. Finally, add a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Stir well until melted and let it cook for another 3 minutes until the sauce thickens. If the sauce thickens too much, just splash in a little more broth or milk. A squeeze of lemon at the very end brightens the sauce if it tastes a little heavy. And that's it. A quick one-pan meal that tastes like you spent way more time on it than you actually did. I served this with the steamed carrots and a side of rice, but this would also be amazing over mashed potatoes. If you need help with those, I'll link a video here that walks you through it. If you got any value out of this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It truly means the world to me and helps my channel more than you know. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. Have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next one.